You sold covered calls on Microsoft. What is that reflective of for part of this conversation?
We practically sold covered calls on everything here in earnings season because I just think the markets are really valued. There's heightened volatility going into it. It doesn't work perfectly in every case, but our Microsoft trade will. It'll expire next week, worthless. It was all premium that came in. The only one that will work against us that will get called away is Meta. We had a 30% call written on Meta, I think at 507. Sounds crazy because the stock's close to 580, but I think we brought $30 or $40 into it. I mean, that was the one name that will get called away. Everything else will expire worthless.
Target today on Microsoft, 640. Daiwa, they had 515. Let's see another look at Microsoft if we could. Weiss, you own this name. I mean, OpenAI launches GPT-5. Elon Musk posts yesterday on X, quote, OpenAI is going to eat Microsoft alive. And that was in response to Satya Nadella highlighting the launch from OpenAI. So a little bit of intrigue there as well.
Yeah, and I look at Microsoft and the notices I got over the last few months, and they're no longer supporting Windows 10, which means that there's a major upgrade cycle. And that upgrade cycle to Windows 11, which most of the world runs on, is going to be significant and doesn't get mentioned. And it's not only software, it's also hardware that's going to drive. But I'm betting on software, despite software not being fondly held by the market. So I'm not really concerned about that. I'm not concerned about the death of Google Alphabet either because of pick your search engine. Microsoft's an institution. Microsoft's going to do well. It's a market leader and will continue to do so. So OpenAI isn't going to kill Microsoft. Microsoft is not sitting still because the OpenAI relationship is fractured. So let's give it some credit. So, and I'm not going to pay attention to Musk is a genius. He's a great inventor. He's a great engineer. But I'm not going to pay attention to what he says and let it scare me out of the stock when tomorrow he could say Sam Altman's a complete moron and we're going to eat their lunch. So, let's just be steady as she goes in terms of Microsoft.
All right.